Welcome back to another OnlyFans video with your boy DDG on Zooted ENT OnlyFans. No cap. Today is for my artists. You clicked on this because you want to be an independent artist. A lot of people don't know this. I know I say that a lot, but it's because it's not normal knowledge. You can make way more money as an independent artist than a signed artist. If you blow up as an independent artist, you'll make 20 times more money than the other artists. A lot of artists that are signed are honestly, between me and y'all, they broke. A lot of artists that don't have shows going on or they don't have such and such going on, the label signs you, they take all your money, blah, 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 blah. But you know me, DDG already know what he doing, good deals this way, no cap. But let me teach you. So, I made millions of dollars. I made millions of dollars as an independent artist before I signed to Epic Records, which is under Sony. I don't know if I said that before, but I'm gonna say it again. I do not regret signing at all. I do not regret signing. I have a very, very great deal, and it makes a lot of sense for me to, sign. It's certain things that a label can do for you that you can't do independently. It's very, very hard to get on the radio as an independent artist. It's very, very hard to get on certain types of radio shows and all this other stuff. It's a lot of shit that comes with it. It's hard to get features when you're an independent artist. It's just harder, but you make way more money. As you do know, I have a gold record. Arguments, clap it up. A gold record means something sold 500,000 copies. So I sold 500,000 copies of Arguments and they went gold, which is lots of money, millions of dollars. I'm gonna show you how to do that. Now I use two sites. The first site that I use to upload Arguments and shit like that is TuneCore.com. Some of you heard of it, some of you have not. It's another artist by the name of Russ. I don't know if y'all know him, but he uploaded shit. He making millions of dollars on TuneCore as an independent artist, or he was before. And a lot of you gotta realize, man, you gotta start from zero, bro. You gotta keep dropping music over and over and over. Someone's gonna hear it, that they're gonna tell their friend, that they're gonna tell their friend, to tell their friend. If it's not taking off, then maybe it's not as good as you think, bro. And you gotta be honest with yourself, if shit is good, it's gonna take off. There's been songs that I made that I thought was good, but other people didn't think it was good. So it didn't go anywhere. So you just gotta keep shooting, gotta keep throwing the bat, you gotta keep dropping projects after project after project, after single. Music videos are very, very important. But that's a whole different segment. Let me show you how to upload your music independently as an artist, no cap. All right, so this is the site that I use now. This is the site that I upload my music now. I upload my music independently sometimes, and I use DistroKid with my label when I'm not working with my label on something or a project or something. But you go here and you don't have an account, obviously. So you want to make you an account. You go sign up right here. Right here, sign up. Okay. Waiting on DistroKid. Bam. Already done. Now, this is where shit get tricky. You have to pay for it, okay? But it's worth it. Trust and believe. Now, when I bought this, I'm gonna be honest. I don't need this. All you need is, you don't need this, all this label shit and all this other shit. I bought this just because I own a label, which is Zooted. So I bought this so I can customize shit and do all types of different shit. But this is $20 a year, y'all. $20 a year. All you need, you get to upload unlimited songs, upload unlimited lyrics, Spotify verified check mark. You get one artist a band. That's beautiful, amazing. Musician Plus, you can upload unlimited songs, Spotify verified checkmark, unlimited lyrics, sync lyrics for Instagram. I suggest this one, y'all. I would suggest Musician Plus, and if you click that, you go right here, and you'll put your payment info in right here. So once you make your site, this is what it would look like. I don't give a fuck if y'all see. So these are songs that, I'm doing myself. You paid for this video. I guess I can tell you, but y'all be stealing my video, so don't make me whoop your ass if you steal this, boy. You're gonna click this right here where it says upload. Once you make your account and everything, click here and say upload. Bam. It's literally just like uploading a YouTube video. Make sure everything right here is checked. You scroll down, there's one song single, you put your artist name in here. Let's just say your name is Billy Bob. Billy Bob, the artist. And, that's going to say that and all this other shit if you haven't already uploaded. And then you're going to put the record label name, which you don't have to put that if you're not a label. You're going to drag your cover art, make sure it's 3,000 by 3,000. You're going to go down here to English. You're going to select genre. I do hip-hop, so I'm going to select hip-hop. Secondary is optional. You don't have to, but usually I always go like pop or something because those are the two genres that I would like to be popping in. So you come over here. Let's just call it Dick and Pussy Hole Remix. All right, Dick and Pussy Hole Dick and Pussy Hole. We're gonna drop that shit. Choose audio file. Now this would be like, you know, audio file be like this. Let's just put this right here. That upload immediately. You come over here. Songwriter. Yes, you wrote the song. If you write your lyrics, I write my lyrics, so I put that. But if you don't, it don't fucking matter, nigga. A lot of niggas don't write their shit. Songwriters, put your actual name. I'll just put my name, Daryl Granberry. Come over here, explicit lyrics. Yes, radio edit. No instrumental. Bam, bam. I make my shit 129. You know, that's me. But if you worried about sales and shit, make your shit 69 cents if you want more sales. But I just be putting 129 because it's $1.29, nigga. What the fuck? We're being cheap. So you come over here, make sure you click Instagram, Store Maximizer, Shazam, all that. $7 a year for the whole song. That's free. Pay for this shit. Leave a legacy. You don't have to, but I would suggest this. So in total, after uploading one song, you know, once you make your DistroKid account and you buy the Musician Plus or whatever, or you can buy the regular membership or whatever, it's like $35.99. Okay, cool. You spend $36 and you come on here and you spend another what? $8, $9, $30. $30. So essentially you would spend around between 30 plus 20, $50 to $60 just to start your account, upload your first song. Each song you drop, you don't have to click these. To click all of these, you don't have to click Store Maximizer every time, all this other shit. I just be clicking it because why the fuck not? You know, it's $29, you know. But some people, you know, if you can't afford this, ain't shit wrong with that, nigga. It was a point in time where I didn't click this box either. And that's why you subscribe to Zulu OnlyFans, because you about to get this bag, no cap, man. No shame in our game, 100. So we're gonna come over here, you hit done, 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 hit done, and the song is uploaded. Plain and simple. Just like that. Let's run through it. Everything clicked on here. Bam, 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 bam. Cover art, wop. Name, price of the song, wop. Now, this is the most important part of DistroKid. A lot of people be frustrated. It's not like a YouTube video. It's like uploading on YouTube, but it's not like you cannot upload it same day. So, I suggest that if you're gonna drop a song, you're gonna upload a song, that you drop the shit or you upload it to DistroKid 5 days before. 5 days before. A week before is best. But 5 to 7 days before, you want the song to come out. So if you want the shit to drop Friday, get your ass on DistroKid on Sunday. That way, the shit can be out. Sometimes it goes quick, though. Sometimes you get the shit out way faster than, you know what I'm saying, other shits. One time, I uploaded on here, and it came up the next day. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it just depends. But it's 5 to 7 days is usually like, on my face. I think it's this little mark on my face while my shit look fat, bro. That's why I keep touching my face, fuck. Or my fat, fuck. But listen, yeah, that's how you do it, y'all. That's how you do it. 5 days before, upload it on DistroKid, make you an account now if you're an independent artist. This is the one I suggest. A lot of niggas still use TuneCore. I used to use TuneCore. They see my go-to. But them motherfuckers is a little weird over there. You know, I don't fuck with TuneCore like that no more. I discovered DistroKid, and I've been using it ever since, and I love it. So, hope you learned a lot today. Go make a motherfucking hit, make $1 million, and all I want you to do is shout me out when you win your Grammy, okay? Cool? All right? Or when you sign your deal or some shit. No cap. Independent artists make more money. Remember that. See you in the next video. Let's go.